Going towards the video, I would like to ask you to read this disclaimer. Pause for a second. Okay, if you read it, then move forward. Hi guys, today I have come with the informative video, and this is the problem for the newbie trader. And these are the small mistakes or misunderstandings of beginner traders, which they don't know when they start trading, and it causes problem for them. So I will discuss those problems because as a newbie I had gone through that when I started trading. So I will discuss this problem. So as you could see the title from my video, the small mistakes of beginner traders. So let's begin. Okay, the newbie traders don't know the difference between bid and ask price. So bid and ask price is a spread of a difference between buy and sell price, which brokers charge from traders to make an income. Normally, when beginner traders trade and gets stopped out by the market, then they blame brokers. Why? Because price reaches to their TP target, their trade does not close in profit, and instead price reverses and hit their stop loss. So they think that broker is a cheater and they are cheated by the broker. You could say whatever you want to say. The reason, as usually price has not reached to their target because they could see on their Metatrader platform that price hasn't reached but they are stopped out. And on the other case, the price has reached to their take profit but it doesn't close the position. For example, if they go short, then they will be stopped out by the ask price, not bid price. As by default, there is only bid prices seen on Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5, which majority of retail traders and newbie use. For that, you must have to activate ask price on your Metatrader platform, so you could see the Metatrader. I will tell you how to do that, but before that, you have to remember simple one principle. What is that? One important thing you have to remember that once you take long position, mean if you buy, then your TP will be hit by bid line and your SL will also be hit by bid line. So basically if you are buying, then there is no issue because bid line is already on the MetaTrader 4 or 5. So if bid line touch your take profit, you will be out by taking profit, and if the bid price or bid line touch to your stop loss, then you will be out with loss. But if you take short position, then your stop loss will be hit by ask line, which is higher than bid, and your TP will also be hit by the ask line. So therefore they do mistake. So I will explain you this on my MetaTrader. Here I have three brokers to whom with I work. So I will choose after FX, which I am showing you. Okay. Okay guys, for example, It is a real account, by the way. So as you could see, this is the closing time of the market, so spread is very high. And if you could see the difference between spread, it is 5 pips spread right now. Normally it doesn't happen. So to make you understand, first I will tell you how to activate ask line. Right now you could see this line. This is a bid price, which is you could see on your Metatrader platform by default. But there is another price which is hidden, and you have to activate. And how could you do that? I am showing you. Press the right key, go to the properties. Here you will see the colors, show common. You have to press the show button, and here you could see show ask price line. If you click it, okay, done. So now you could see this is the ask line. And for example, let's see, if I have a short position here, okay, and my SL is here, see, but because it is the closing time of the market, as you could see, the market is about to close, mean the day is about to end for the broker. And this is the time when every broker increases its spread dramatically. Normally the broker to whom with I work, they charge very tight spread. But this is the time when their spread increases. Suppose if I'm in this trade in the evening before 5 6 hours, so I took a trade here, a short position, and my SL is here, okay, but because the spread increases, so I will be stopped out by this red line, which is the ask price. And you know what will happen when I will get up in the morning, I will see the candlestick reverses. Suppose if candle reverses from here and go back and hit my take profit, okay, if you could see, here's my TP. But because the spread increases at this time, so I'm stopped out before even price reaches to my target. Let's assume if I stop loss here, and if the price will further go up, this because the spread has increased at the closing time, so I will be stopped out. But when I will see the visual data in the morning, and suppose the price does reverse from here and come here, and I will see that I'm stopped out. So if I have no idea what I'm doing or what is happening in the market, so I will say my broker is a cheater, which is not the case. So therefore you have to correct the mistake. If you are a day trader or scalper, and if you just place stop loss up to 10 to 15 pips, then do not trade at closing time when market is about to close. Okay, so always close your positions 2 hours before the closing of the market. Okay, so it's very simple. See, right now this is the broker's time. If you could see there, so it is 12 a.m. according to the broker. can see your local time, and if I could see my local time, it is 3:37 a.m. So means I have 4 hour difference. So what does this mean? Means I have to not to I should never be in a position when there is a 2 a.m. and I have a 2 a.m. standard time. So mean I should not be in the trade at that time because I am a day trader. So my stop loss is maximum up to 20-25 pips. So even if price reaches 15 pips towards my target, I will be stopped out because of the spread. So same thing happens in normal market condition. Okay, you could see the difference, but once this R will come, the spread will come to the normal. Okay, so therefore it is a closing time because broker closes their orders for the day. So in this time, every broker increases their spread dramatically. So as a trader, we should know this. Okay, so this is about the bid and ask price. And remember, if you are short, your decision will this ask price or red line will you could make any color if you want to, but this ask line will decide your fate. Okay, so two things you have to remember if you are a day trader or scalper, and if you are using 15 to 20 pip stop loss, do not trade when broker's timing is about to close 12 a.m. So you should close your all open positions at here, about here, 2 hours before the new day started. Okay, I hope you understand this point.